gorgeous! Here is how to make custard. You can turn it into creme brulee if you add sugar at the very end and torch the top after baking, or you can put it in the broiler. I'm gonna need 2 cups of cream, heavy whipping cream to be exact. These are the 6 egg yolks that I used prior, so I'm gonna mix them in. I like to add all the liquids together, so I'm gonna use 1.5 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract is advised, but I am gonna use this spoon because I know how it looks. I'm gonna mix this. Now I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of brown sugar because I'm out of white sugar, and it's 1-to-1 ratio when you can replace white sugar to brown. Please excuse the Jocko Willink, we reused it. If you don't have one of these trays that have ramekins designed to fit in the tray like this, that's perfectly okay. You can use ramekins with a tray on it, or you can use individual ramekins. I had to be very resourceful back when I didn't have this type of tray, and the result was pretty much the same. So what I'm gonna do is boil water, and then what I'm gonna do is put the boiling water on the outside of this tray. Then I'm gonna add the custard to the ramekins and then put it into the oven. If it is like mine and imperfect, do not be afraid to keep on practicing. Sign up to my newsletter, link below, for monthly style inspo. You'll get tons of mood boards with classic, elegant style inspiration. Follow me on LTK and Instagram at Gia G. Dixon for more style. I hope you enjoyed this. Give this a like, subscribe, and click the bell for more elegant style and high quality living. I kind of have the best audience in the world. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.